Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete messages on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the chat that you want to delete a message. I can select my first chat. After selecting the chat, you can hold on the message that you send to the other person. You can delete this message by holding this, and after this you can now tap on more, and here you can see the option unsend. Tap on unsend, and after tap on unsend you can just simply unsend for everyone or unsend for you. You can click on unsend for everyone. It means the message is deleted from every side, and you can just simply go back, and here you can delete the whole chat. You can just simply tap on the person's name. Now you can see the option delete chat. Tap on delete, and you can confirm to delete this entire conversation. Tap on delete, and it is the way you can delete messages on Messenger. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.